Alright, move this over and get these last two over here. Actually a little bit of work to do on the inside in here too, but yeah, let's see how that works. So we got some extra material in here we welded in. This comes off of the grinder real easy, but this a little bit harder. So just gonna make sure we don't cut into there too much. Can't see that from this view. So, sheet, boop, come down till we hit, back it off a few thou, and we'll just feed on into it and backtrack. Cheating. Got your 0 point. Right there. See, that's how you cheat. Let's look like you know what you're doing almost. It's called stuffing it. So I'll go ahead and like that. Go ahead and loosen this up again. Go down until we just touch. Same deal. Back it off about 5. Make sure you're not hitting anything important. And just feed it over to our 0 point again. 0 point right over there. That. And just going down this way again. And we just repeat that a couple times. And I'll go down until I hit the valve guide this time, I think. Yeah. You're just touching the valve guide. Move it a couple thou more. 0 it. And we're good. So we're just cutting that down there. So I'm going to give it a big chunk this time. And just move over further. That's all you do. Trick is not to cut the valve guide. Clearance. 0 that out again. Back to our 0. And that's about it for that. So see, that was a quick way of knocking it down. And just coming here with the radius cutter, knocked that back. You took most of the work done. And we have to put a valve pocket cutter here to get the very end of it to get us right down to the valve seat. Maybe. We might be able to grind it close enough without doing that, but we'll see. Give you a nice clean cut. Like I said, this I'll just knock off with a grinder. It's a lot easier. Alright, we'll go ahead and cut these two over here. Watching from this side, who knows? What's it look like from this view? Crop on my workbench here. Blow that up. I don't think that works very well. Kind of. Different view. Alright, no more than there. Zero it, zero it. There's definitely no more that direction. Pull that a little bit. Alright, zero set. Height is barely. And we're stuck with that height for a minute. Alright. See anything at all from that angle? Hell no. That's a crappy view. I don't want to get this angle. Look at my view. Fit over here now. So I readjusted it. There we go. Alright, and drop this down a little bit. Clear. Cut in the original head there slightly. A little mark right there. That's original material there we just cut out. Alright, we'll blend the rest of that. Looking better. And we just cut this last one over here. So we'll just do the same thing. Sure how much I can cut. clarity. Cut in the original. Where you can see it would be nice, huh? Let's blow this back a little bit. Yeah, it's only a couple thou on that side and got a little bit more on this side. So I'll feed it this way. I'll move it in about 5 thou as they come, I guess. I'll put these numbers up here before. Give it 5 thou. And I'll feed it the power feed. And as I get to it, I'll feed it another 5 or so. Pretty even right there. It's pretty nice, actually. I'm not going to feed it this way because I don't want to hit right in here. That would definitely be a set backwards. So far the only screw up I did was I nicked the head right here. And I can grind that slightly, it'll disappear. Hide my screw up. Alright, so that's how that looks. We got this roughed in pretty nice through here. Gotta go in there with die grinder and round this stuff up under here so it looks better. Clean this up through here a little bit. Get rid of the big chunk back here. Have to do that by hand. And then just blend all these sides in and radius them up a little bit. And we can make all that welding look like it wasn't really done. This side here, I'm gonna knock that edge off, we'll be good. And then way down here is the next one. But overall, as you can see what the shape it looks like. So it looks a lot better than it did. Put this out of the way. And our D-ring is right here. Stuck on my power cord there. So you can see how the D-ring fits in there. Not too bad. Obviously that's not the one we care about. We care about is the cover. There's going to be a gasket here, doesn't even come close to fitting, but this is what the head looks like. There we go. Couple of screws to grab a hold of so we know the cover is going to sit. There we go. So, now the cover on everything up on here. You can see how it overhangs right here a little bit, the D-ring, but the pan cover is good. So, all that cut we did will blend in pretty nicely. It's not too bad on the back side. A little bit dark back there, isn't it? Front side now, we don't have those big chunks sitting up in there like we had. This here is starting to blend in real nice through here. This is real nice. So you can see how everything just kind of blends in. All you just do your little dress up grinding and you can hide all that stuff you did. That's part of doing a good job. So anyway, we're pretty much done with this head for now. We'll get the other head up on here and we're going to do a bunch of helicoil on it. So that's it for tonight.